Hello.
Hello. Hello.
What's your name?
Good. My name is Peter. What's your name?
Okay. My name is Sagar. Where are you from, Peter?
I'm from England,
Okay.
but now I'm in the Philippines. Where are you?
I'm calling from India, the western part of the Maharashtra.
Thank you. And you're in your garden.
Yes, it's not garden, it's my farm.
Farm. Sorry. Good. And what's the name of your city? The name of your
Yes,
town?
it's Ahmednagar city. It's state of the Maharashtra.
Okay. Thank you. I've never been to India. It's
Okay.
southwest, is it? Okay. Thank you. Good. And what do you do? Are you a farmer?
Yes, I'm farmer is also, and I teach chemistry subject, and in that school, 9th grade to up to the 12th grade.
Okay. Are the children quiet or noisy?
Yes, they mixing like.
What makes okay, good, good.
And Peter, please tell me something about what's your improve English and it's small conversations you happens and tell me something about tips.
About speaking English,
Yes.
yes. The best way is to have English-speaking friends,
Mhm.
or go to English-speaking country, or online
Okay.
lessons. Online lessons are good. A lot of students watch English movies or TV programs and listen to English music. And
Yes.
if you want to find English friends in your place, I think the best place is the British pub.
Okay, and for in my mind too, I have like for the good vocabulary also. But whenever I am to making a sentence, and that was time, for I am to stuck like for which is the that grammar use like for have has in the will, that automatic I because I have known already. But where
Mhm.
I am to like for speak, that I am to just for something little chunk of that I am to stuck.
Okay, good. Okay, yes, your grammar is okay, no problem, and your vocab is okay. I think you need to imitate English speakers' intonation. And
Something about little by, but I think I am just right now to going on practice and practice, and this is to make a very perfect is also. But I don't know. I am to feel like it's very for some time little bit very in my mind to come okay in here to some mistake that happen, but just
I
it's
see.
okay. It's practice, and I think this is happen mostly myself is also like for some time nervous, sometime excited to speak, but yes, it's practice I think.
Okay, I think you're right. Yes, what's your native language?
Oh, my native language is Marathi.
Marathi? Oh, I don't know. Okay, good. Um,
Yes.
okay. Yeah, I think imitate. If you imitate native speakers, that's the best way, I think. Yes. Good.
Mhm.
Have you been using Cambly a long time?
Yes, yes, I have been using this Cambly app going on 3-4 months is also.
Oh, a long time. Okay. Yeah, same as me. 3 months. Good.
Oh, okay.
Good. Have you been to another country?
Yes, no, before I have not good, but in the future, suppose definitely I will to get a chance. Definitely I to in my mind to come. Yes, turn out.
Okay, that's very good. Where do you want to go?
Yes, it's not specifically what
Okay.
UK, US that.
Okay. English speaking countries. Good.
Yes,
And do you have a family?
yes, yes, I have family.
Yeah, good. How many people?
I am to 6 people. And in here for only remaining 26 second is also, and I think definitely I will to call recently now. Okay.
Good. Yeah, sure. Okay, good. Anyway, I'll catch you again, I hope. It was nice to speak to you. Good. And have
Yeah.
a nice day. Oh, it's 11 o'clock here, 11 a.m. Is it the
Oh,
same?
11 a.m. You are I think in here